Today we're going to create a form using Excel Online that lets you share a link with friends or customers, or anyone really, and have them fill out some information and get that information loaded directly into your own Excel workbook, all in under 2 minutes. So let's go. First, we'll hop over to the Insert tab and look for Forms. There, we're going to click on the new form and get taken away to a new web page. This is Microsoft Forms, which is very similar to Google Forms. I'm going to create a really basic test form with 3 questions. The first question will be a choice that asks where the person is from. The second question will be a text field asking for the person's name. And the third and final question will be a text field that requires a number asking for the number of children that that person has. Now that we have a form, we need someone to fill it out. To do this, I'm going to use the Share button to create a link that I'll copy and paste into the browser for my own use. But you could share this link on Facebook, Twitter, or by email to request responses from any number of people. Before we look at the form, let's see what's going on in our Excel file. We can see a new table has been added with 7 fields. The first 4 capture information provided by all forms, such as the start time, completion time, email, and name, while the final 3 capture the question and answers posed by the form itself. At this point, every time someone inputs data into the form and clicks Submit, our Excel file will capture those results. We can see the date and time that I opened the form and that I hit the Submit button, what Microsoft email I was logged in with, along with my associated name, plus all of my answers from the form, all generated in real time. Forms like these can be useful for gathering a wide variety of information, from RSVPs to an event such as a catered party, to a mass mailer survey asking people for opinions on a variety of subjects. Thank you for joining me for this Explainly quick tip. I hope you found this useful, and as always, if you'd like to learn more about Excel or other topics, please visit us at www.explainly.io.